Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in online class, dear student of Shubhadra High School. My name is Mamata Akhtar, an assistant English teacher of Shubhadra High School. I hope you are all fine, but because of coronavirus, you are all deprived from your studies. So that our head sir Ghulam Hussain Sohel has arranged an online class program so that you can make up your loss. Today I am going to take an online class of 9 and 10 students. The subject name is English second paper and the topic name is right form of verbs. It will be on your SSC exam. You will have some clues in a box. You should write the clues if the clues are wrong. So you should know some rules of right form of verbs so that you can correct the verbs of this box. Now I am discussing with you some rules of right form of verbs. Look on the board. I will give some rules. You should try it at your home and try to practice it at your home and follow it carefully what I am writing about right form of verbs. I am discussing first rule. Rule number 1. If the subject is a third person singular number, then as or yes will be added after verb. Now I am giving its example. Try to understand it and look it example carefully. Example: the sun rise in the east. This is the wrong verb using. You should correct it by using these rules of right form of verbs. Now I am correcting it. Listen to me carefully. Correct sentence with verb. I am discussing it will be the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Here I have used S because the sun is a third person singular number, so I have used there S according to these rules. Try to understand it and look it carefully how I have corrected. Now I am giving you other rules. I hope you all will practice it at your home and try to understand it according to the rules. Rule number 2. I am discussing it, writing it. You should write them carefully, the rules with examples. After am, is, are, was, were, ing will be added after verb. Now I am also giving its example. Write it down and try to understand it. I am go to market. I am go to market. This is the wrong form of verbs. Now I am correcting it. Try to understand how I am correcting it. You should understand it according to the rules. Rule number 2. I am going to market. Now I am going to market. Because of am, I have used their ing. Because of am, I have used their ing. You should try to understand it, and you will try it at your home according to this rule number 2. Now I am giving you the next rules. The next rules, rule number 3. You should try it at your home and practice it according to these rules with examples. Try to understand it carefully, dear student. Now I am giving the third number rules. After have, has, had, we will use their past participle of verbs. Now I am also giving its example. You should understand according to these rules, and I hope you will practice it by rules and with examples. Rita has go to market. Rita has go to market. This is the wrong form of verbs. See it carefully. This is the wrong form of verbs because I have used there. Use has. So this is wrong. I am correcting it. Correct form is Rita has gone. Rita has gone to market. Rita has gone to market. This is the right form of verbs. Because of has, I have used their past participle of these verbs, and this is the rules of right form of verbs and rule number 3. Try to understand it, how I have used it there. Now I am going to the another rule, dear student. See it carefully and try to understand it, and also hope you will try to understand what I am saying, giving rules. Rule number 4. After have been, has been, after have been, has been, had been, ing will be added. After verb. Now I am giving its example also. Try to understand according to this example of rules. It has rained. It has rained all day long. It has rained all day long. This is the wrong form. I am correcting it. I am correcting it. It has been. It has been. It has been rained. It has been rained all day long. This is the wrong form of verb. I am correcting it. Correct will be it has been raining. It has been raining all day long. It has been raining all day long. This is the right form of verb. Because of has been, because I have said there, I have right there, have been, has been, after has been, have been, had been, ing will be added after verb, and I have also used and follow these rules and correct this sentence, and I have correct this sentence. Listen to me how I have corrected. Now I am giving rule number 5, and it will be your last rules of today about right form of verbs. Rule number 5. I am discussing these rules. Try to understand it, what I am writing. Add the starting verb of any sentence we will use their ing. Now I am giving its example also. Example: go there. I have seen him. Go there, I have seen. This is the wrong verb using. I am correcting it. See it carefully how I will correct it. going there, going there, I have seen, I have seen him. This is the right form of verbs. This is the starting verb of this sentence. So I have used their ing according to these rules. Try to understand and write these rules carefully and try to practice it with example at your home, I hope. Okay, dear student. Now I will give your homework. Write down your homework. I am giving your homework. Your homework will be homework practice these rules with examples at home. Okay, dear student, no more today. Today I am closing my discussions about right form of verbs. I hope you will all try it at your home. Practice it according to these rules with examples. Okay, dear student, today bye and take care. Stay safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.